In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel appointment on Calendly. 5 minutes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find an upcoming meeting in Calendly and cancel it the right way so everyone is notified and your calendar stays accurate. Make sure you're signed into your Calendly account and have a stable internet connection. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. If you're not already signed in, enter your account credentials and continue. If you use single sign-on, choose that option and follow the prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home area where you manage your event types and scheduled meetings. From here, look for the meetings section in the top navigation. Click it to view your scheduled events. By default, you'll be on the upcoming tab, which shows everything that's on your calendar in the future. If you don't see the meeting right away, scroll through the list or adjust any filters to match the date range you need. Find the exact meeting you want to cancel and click on it to open the details. This view shows the event, name, date, and time, invitee information, and any notes or answers the invitee provided when booking. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct meeting, especially if you have multiple events around the same time. Next, click Cancel. Calendly will prompt you to confirm the cancellation. You'll see a field where you can add a reason. This step is optional but highly recommended, as your message will be included in the cancellation email sent to your invitee. Keep it brief and helpful, for example, noting a conflict, a change in plans, or suggesting alternative times. When you're ready, click Yes, Cancel to finalize. Calendly will immediately update the event status, remove it from your upcoming list, and notify the invitee. If your calendar is connected, the event will be removed from there as well, helping prevent confusion or double bookings. A few tips to wrap up. If your goal is to keep the meeting but move it, use reschedule instead of cancel to propose a new time without starting from scratch. If you need a record, you can copy the details from the event before canceling. And if you manage multiple event types, double-check the event name and date in the details panel to avoid canceling the wrong one. That's it. You've canceled a Calendly appointment cleanly with clear communication to your invitee and your schedule up to date. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.